In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to earn handsome amount of money with a very little effort. The only thing you need is an email address and some of your effort. Now about the earning, you can earn up to $420 per month. The customers you send to their website, you will get paid off 35% of it. The website we are talking about in today's video is crowdfire.com. The Crowdfire is a social media management tool. It helps to manage different social media accounts on a different social media platform. It is a very helpful website. I will give you an example from the daily life so that you can easily understand. Let's suppose an organization has all the social media accounts of all platforms. It is real that the organization has not much time to post or per hour or per minute, so that these organizations uses post scheduler like this website to post on their social media account time to time. You can look at the other features of this website. Now see their pricing. Their pricing range is as given. You will get 35% of it. Without any work, you will get 35% of it. With it's an easy affiliate program. From this affiliate program, you can earn handsome amount of money every month without doing much work to do. You have joined the affiliate program by the join now option, which is given in the bottom of the website. There is an option affiliate and referrals. By pressing it, you will go to referral page where you can join it. Also, you can see the rules and regulation steps. 35% generous commission, earn in cash, free to join, quick payout, unlimited earning, and easy tracking and reports. How it works: it simply works by the following 3 steps. Step number 1, sign up. You will get your referral link. This referral link is a unique referral link. Step number 2, share and promote your link. And the step number 3 is earn when someone join by your link. Below it, click on the red button to join. When you join it, you will see this kind of dashboard where you see unique referral links, and you can also share it on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, and also on other sites. But I am not showing this way. I am showing another unique method where you can earn your money easily, and by using it you can easily earn a lot of money. You should go to Google, type. You should have to type top social media marketing companies. By clicking on the first website, there are almost 35,000 companies, at most 35,000 companies, which is a lot of number, which do social media marketing. It's if you contact 100 daily, if you contact 100 websites daily, if any of 3 to 4 websites join on a daily basis, then you can easily earning on the daily basis with a large amount of money. And now you have to do that. The organizations you are seeing on the website with their website, you have to simply open their website and see their pages, sign up page, and etc. These processes. When you open the website, you will see their contact information, sign up, and email address on the page. When you see the email address on the page, then simply you have to go to your own Gmail address. Then you have to make a format of writing as like I have written, so that you can easily explain your profession. You can also use my text written on it. You can simply pause the video and write it on your memo. You can also make your own content. You have to paste your own affiliate link and write your name in the end. I am writing business point just for showing you to write your name here. If you send 100 email daily, then website has 34,000 different websites, different organizations. It will take a lot of months for you to complete all. Until that, you can generate a lot of money. Some websites don't have their email address provided on their contact form. Then you can send your information content as in the send message form. And these are the methods for earning money online through this website. You can earn $100 to $200 in the starting, and as we talk about earning on the monthly basis, you can earn up to $400 per month. So I hope you have understood this simple procedure. It is very simple. You can do it. Just try to do it. If you like the video, subscribe to the channel, thumbs up the video, and like a comment down below. See you in the next video.